Rudolf Storz, medical technology made in Germany. In 3 facilities, 150 employees from 17 nations produce over 7,000 medical products. High-tech and craftsmanship come together to deliver tailored solutions for operating rooms worldwide. From concept to final product, Rudolf Storz is your reliable partner in contract manufacturing. Our experts develop and design custom solutions. Our state-of-the-art machine park operates 24/7 to deliver your orders on time. Automation at its best for high capacity. Precision handcrafting is just as important to us. A skilled and dedicated team ensures the highest quality in every detail. Our commitment, perfection, and reliability. By using the latest measuring technology and reliable quality checks, supported by 3D scanners, we guarantee medical products you can always rely on. Our instruments are automatically cleaned and laser marked with a verified UDI code at the customer's request. Our portfolio includes over 7,000 products from head to toe. Innovation and versatility in every area of medical technology. We rely on photovoltaics and an electric vehicle fleet for a green, sustainable future.
For more than 75 years, the name Rudolf Storz has stood for quality and reliability under the aspect of sustainability. Our modern machinery and our dedicated and well-trained team dutifully implement your wishes from the idea to the final product, made in Germany. Convince yourself. We are pleased to welcome you.